Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, we'll be looking at this awesome online tool called Illoom Visualizer. So Illoom Visualizer is a cloud-based rendering tool which is available to render out your package designs. Unlike Dimension, the workflow here actually helps you make a product design based on the measurement, and it's going to give you a die cut of that particular model that you're taking, and you can actually design your package onto that die cut, which will be applied back into the software again, and then will give you an accurate 3D model, which can also go to production straight away. So this is not just a mock-up software, but it is a functional packaging tool as well that you can use in your workflow, right? So let's take a look at how this is going to work. So when you go to Visualizer by Illoom, you need to sign up with your email ID. So I already signed up. I'm going to just log into this, and we can click on new to create a new project. And you can see that there are a number of models which are available that you can use straight away. So what I'm going to do is you can take a box and you can just modify this as well. You can select any of this and you can keep working on that. You can edit it as well. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a model like this, right? Something very simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this. So I can actually set the size here, right? So this is where it is actually really useful, right? So you can set the product dimension accurately here, and you're going to get the die cut for it, which you can send it directly after designing. You can send it directly for printing, right? So let's leave it like this right now because we are just testing it out, and let's go to the next step, which is the die cut. And okay, you have the die cut for that. So since it's very basic shape, the die cut is also very simple, right? Because we chose a button, and this is basically the decal of it. But you'll get the idea how this works. So we're going to download the PS format. So we're going to get a PSD of the die cut, right? So I'm going to open this up. Let's go to Photoshop. So we have the die cut right here, and the Illoom instruction basically. Template comes with a set of instructions that place your design inside the die cut. Your artwork must be reduced to one layer. This layer must be at the bottom of the layer hierarchy. To create effect layers, like if you want to add metallic effects and all that, all those layers needs to be in a separate layer above the artwork layer for each sport color. So fill the desired areas with one color. Save the design as a PSD file, and we will be taking this back to Illoom Visualizer to create the effect that we need. So let's make a quick design and see how this is going to work, or this is going to look in the design. So all right, what we're going to do is we'll just crop this out. We don't need this anymore. Let's keep it like this. And we can build our artwork, right? So I'm just going to quickly design the artwork. So we have our very basic design, which is right here. So what I wanted to do is that as the instruction said, we have to keep our major artwork in one layer. So I'm going to bring all the artwork, right, all the basic shapes into one layer. I'm going to keep that in the background. And all the things which I actually need a metallic effect or any sort of text effects, I will be keeping that separate. So so we are back in the Illoom Visualizer screen. So it is asking here to upload your finished design. When you're finished with your design, you can save it as a PSD file, and all the layers that we created for the metallic effects are taken into consideration. So we created that as separate layers. We just need to upload the PS file. So let's select the PS file. We have it to Illoom and upload it. So here we can see that design is added into the object, and we can see the metallic effects is actually affecting the layers that we kept separate here, right? So in here we can come and we can change the object color. So we change the background. The background right now is on auto color. That's the reason it's taking the same color as the object. So we can switch it to manual, and we can change the background color separately. So we can keep the background color different. So maybe something like that. And the object color, we can just manipulate the object color here. So right now we are playing around with the object color. Let's keep it like that and maybe reduce it. Some more like this. So you can see the metallic effects which is being applied to the two layers that we have given. So which we made M and the mark text that we have applied. So the metallic effect is actually applying only to those layers in here in the illoom visualizer. So you can also, what you can do right now is to maybe you can come here. We can go to metallic effects and we can change the metallic effects here, and you can see how the effects are changing right now. So it's actually doing a copper effect right now, rose gold and glossy, and also a white color. So we'll go with copper effect. Right, we can see that the object is now the text effect that we applied here giving us a metallic result, right? So it gives a more accurate, this is not as visually stunning as what Dimension can provide, because that is just a mere mockup software, but this is actually a die cut and production ready document that you can send it directly for production, right? So it might not give you the right render in a visual render, but when you click on save, you can get a printable solution right from here. So click on continue. You can select the packaging type that you want, and you can choose the packaging type. So this is a 3D custom shape, or you just need a folding box, flexible packaging. So this is basically a bottle. So I'm going to click on that. Packaging material, we can do it with clear film, a white film, board, paper, glass, etc. So I'm going to choose it on paper. And printing techniques, so is it going to be offset printing, flexo printing, giveaway printing, and all those printing options are going to be here. I'm going to do offset printing right here, and if you click on continue, you can give your details here, and then you can get the file. So the plan right now with Visualizer is that you have to pay to get the actual file, but since you already have the die cut in your system, right, you can directly, because you downloaded the die cut and you designed the whole thing with the die cut in your mind, you can quickly use it in any of your mockups, right? So that is the whole advantage of. I would urge you to use it. It's a really good app, and print designers or packaging designers are going to find it more useful and can be used in their production pipeline directly. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you like the video, subscribe, and I'll be back with a new video pretty soon. Till then, take care. Bye.